Alright, I'm going to try to do the shortest version of this class shit, and just tell you the most important concepts. Anything that is not private can be inherited, or, is not private can be inherited by a derived class. Okay, like we're doing here. Class Polygon is what we're inheriting all this shit because I got no private members. Okay, and a member can be either a method, aka a function, or a property, aka a variable. So we call them member variables and member functions for short. Um, I tend to get tongue twisted with that shit. Um, but basically, if you have a, classes can be, either you can do multiple inheritance, just not from two objects derived from the same class, like I try here, but you can inherit from more than one class at a time. But triangle and rectangle are both inherited, or derived methods or derived classes of our polygon class, so that's why it was giving, there's ambiguity there in the methods, so you can't do that. But anyway, the double triangle is inheriting its properties. It's derived from the triangle class, which is itself derived from the polygon class. So this is a third level of inheritance. Now you'll see that we have an area function here that's specific to this class. Okay, in the triangle class, we have, an area function too. This function overrides the triangle function because it has exactly the same parameters. Now, if I would have put like, you know, int a or something like that as the input, then this wouldn't override it because that would overload that original method, but it would actually still have access to the original triangle method. But, since I have it like that, it's exactly the same parameters on the function's input, so this just overrides it. But yet that overrided function can still be accessed using a scope resolution operator to the triangle base class. So in short, that's all you need to know, and that, as far as just classes are concerned too, you can predefine your variables, inside a class if you want, or you don't have to, like I do here, and you can set it later, although it's a good idea to always set them to 0, really. Or you can predefine them as a protected member or a public member, so it doesn't matter. So, that's kind of in a nutshell how class inheritance works. And you can see down here, how these classes are used real quick. And I'm not going to explain all this, but I will go ahead and very quickly run the program so you can see what the results are, just so I don't leave you hanging on that. So this is what the output of those first several lines of code is. So